going to cut wood in a snowstorm.
What?
I was telling people back home that we're going to cut wood in a snowstorm.
Yeah, good time to come.
Yeah, we're out of firewood. Dogs are pissed that they can't come. It's a winter wonderland. See any firewood?
Let's roll this up on something.
One at a time. Bringing them down the mountain one by one. Hell of a way to get firewood, especially this firewood. It's tulip poplar. It ain't pretty, but it'll work. Are there really ants coming out of here?
Yeah, just threw the whole log in the wood stove.
So they were outside, way inside a frozen log. Well, they're not cold anymore, dude.
No, they're not.